Hello everyone, my name is Geeta Salunke. I am Assistant Professor in Department of EINTC Engineering at AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. Today I am going to explain MOSFET characteristics of power electronics. There are two types of power MOSFETs, depletion type and enhancement type. In case of depletion type, channel region is already diffused between the drain and source and it deplete or pinch off the channel, and in case of enhancement type, no channel region exists between the drain and source and invert the region between the drain and source to induce a channel. This is the cross section of N-type enhancement power MOSFET. The terminals are shown here: drain, source, gate. It is a voltage controlled unipolar power device. Parasitic BJT held in cutoff by body source short. Integral antiparallel diode formed from parasitic BJT. Extension of gate metallization over drain drift region. Field plate and accumulation layer functions. Division of source into many small areas connected electrically in parallel, and maximizes gate width to channel length ratio in order to increase gain. Lightly doped drain drift region determines blocking voltage rating. This is the VI characteristics of power MOSFET. On x-axis VDS is there and on y-axis drain current is there. See here, there are three regions: cutoff region, saturation region and linear region. At VGS threshold, MOSFET starts to conduct. Below VGS threshold, it does not conduct. This region is called as cutoff region. And above threshold voltage, drain current starts to flow. After certain value of VDS, drain current remains constant. This voltage is called as pinch off voltage and it is shown by dotted line. Here graph is shown for VGS1, VGS2, VGS3 and VGS4. After certain value of VDS, drain current remains constant. This is the VI characteristics of MOSFET. In cutoff region, no drain current flows with respect to VDS through MOSFET due to VGS is less than VGS threshold and MOSFET remains off. And in ohmic or linear region, drain current flows through MOSFET, that is, it becomes on. The drain current ID changes with respect to VDS and VGS. Due to high drain current and low drain voltage, the power MOSFET is always operated as a switch in linear region. And in pinch off or saturation region, VDS is greater than VGS minus VGS threshold and MOSFET conducts. The drain current ID remains constant with respect to VDS and changes with VGS. MOSFET is used in this region for voltage amplification. Now we'll see transfer characteristics of MOSFET. See here, when VDS is constant, this is graph for constant VDS. As VGS increases, that is gate source voltage increases, drain current also increases after some value of VGS, that is VGS threshold. This is the linear graph. It is between VGS and drain current by keeping VDS constant. It is linear. Here we have studied the VI characteristics and transfer characteristics of power MOSFET. Thank you.